Ever since we were kids, we've been fascinated by robots. Not just the ones that can move around and pick up blocks, but the ones that can actually save lives. Today, robots are stepping into dangerous situations, making quick decisions, and protect people in ways that no other human could.
What started as fascination became real-world impact. Robotics isn't just a hobby. It's a way to solve challenges that humans alone might not be able to handle. For example, natural disasters. According to USA Facts, the number of natural disasters with damages of more than $1 billion has increased over the last 4 years. From 1980 to 2024, the US averaged 9 of these events per year. But in the last 5 years, the US averaged 23 of these events per year. That is a huge increase. Natural disasters are rising. Robotics is rising to meet them.
Before a disaster makes headlines, there's always a sign, whether that's a slight rumble underground, a spike in forest temperature, or a rise in sea level. Easy for humans to miss. But robots, they can detect things that are almost invisible to us.
Take California, one of the most wildfire-infested regions of the United States. The fire department here uses drones equipped with thermal cameras to spot hotspots in real time. These drones can even perform aerial ignition, dropping dragon eggs to create fire breaks, stopping wildfires from spreading even further. This can be the difference between a controlled fire and a catastrophe. Prevention powered by robotics can save lives before disaster ever strikes.
But what if it's already too late? Buildings collapse, pipes burst, and survivors are trapped. Rescuers fight against poor visibility, rough terrain, and ticking clocks. This is where robotics can change the game. In Mexico City's 2017 earthquake, Carnegie Mellon's snake robots squeezed through tight debris, equipped with lights and cameras, reaching places that no other human could.
But robots don't have to just be small. Take, for example, the T-52 Manidweep. This robot clocks in at over 11 feet tall, weighs 5 tons, and can carry a ton with each arm. It can easily clear side rubble, almost like pebbles, opening up the path for rescuers. But once survivors are found, aid becomes the next challenge.
Robots can also deliver aid. After Hurricane Katrina, UAVs helped first responders survey flood damage and identify where help was needed the most. Robots and drones can reach places cut off by landslides, collapsed infrastructure, or floods.
According to the National Science Foundation, speeding up disaster response by 1 day through the reuse of robots can shorten recovery time by over 1,000 days. You heard me right, not 10, 20, 50, or even 100 days. 1,000 days. Using robots while delivering aid can make it much more efficient. It can make it also much more cost efficient because it reduces the need for large-scale rescue programs.
Robotics isn't just changing the way we respond to disasters. It's evolving in ways that are transforming our everyday life. Robots today can see, learn, and adapt using artificial intelligence. Instead of following simple commands, robots can analyze their surroundings and make decisions in real time.
Companies like Boston Dynamics have developed humanoid robots that can balance, walk, run, and even work in environments designed for humans. These robots can assist workers, carry supplies, and inspect dangerous areas, all without risking a single human life. Other companies like Tesla are using these same technologies to perform repetitive, but yet physically demanding tasks, often lowering the risk for injury for workers.
Artificial intelligence is also making robots smarter. Instead of being programmed for every single step, robots can now learn from data, recognize objects, and improve over time. This allows them to help in hospitals, explore oceans, and even help astronauts in space. Robotics is no longer just about machines that follow commands. It's about machines that can think, learn, and help solve complex problems alongside humans.
This new generation of robotics isn't just responding to emergencies, it's helping prevent them. Now, robots help people in their daily lives and is expanding what humanity is capable of.
All of this technology may sound advanced. Autonomous drones, robots lifting tons of debris, complex programs that control movement. It can seem intimidating, expensive, or even out of reach. When people hear the word robotics, they may think that they need a background in engineering, no advanced math skills, or have years of experience. But that isn't true.
The truth is, anyone can join robotics, no matter their experience. And we're the perfect example of this. When we joined the first LEGO League, we had absolutely no experience. We didn't know how to code, we didn't understand motors or sensors. We never built a robot before. How are we supposed to do this? And yet, we were still able to create something amazing. Why? Because we were ready to learn. We were curious and uncertain, yes, But being ready to learn was one of the most important factors in our success. Another crucial factor was just being willing to start. Some of us might begin by timing bullets, while others might begin by dragging blocks of code across the screen. But I know all of you will discover new skills you didn't even know you had, like designing, problem solving, or leading a team.
And here's the amazing part. Robotics isn't just about what you can do alone. It's about what you can do together as a team. Teams are made based off of many people with many different abilities. Builders who turn idea into structure, programmers who give the robot intelligence, electrical experts who connect and power the system, strategists, documenters, researchers, and communicators that make sure the whole process runs smoothly. Each skill contributes, and each person matters. When all of these people come together, the product created is much greater than what one person could do alone.
And that's the special thing about robotics. You don't have to be an expert at everything. You just have to be A, willing to learn, and B, willing to work with those who suit your own strengths. Because when design meets code, when creativity meets logic, and when determination meets teamwork, amazing things happen and innovation occurs. Every robot that saves a life, that competes in a competition, or solves a real-world problem begins with a team that dares to try, together.
And robotics grows with you. As you learn, you acquire new skills, allowing you to create even more complex robots. We now compete in the next V5 competition, where teams build robots to score blocks into goals. We start from scratch, but look at us now. Robotics teaches you many new skills, allows you to connect with people of many different abilities, and teaches you that even beginners can create something extraordinary. In the end, robotics isn't just about machines, it's about people, the innovators who design them, the rescuers who use them, and the communities whose lives are changed by them.
So here's our challenge. Get involved. Join a robotics team. Take a class. Build something small, even if it fails the first 10 times. Because every robot that saves a life begins with someone who wants to try.
We need builders, dreamers, thinkers, problem solvers, people who are willing to take a challenge, whether that's rebuilding after a storm, wildfires, or a landslide. And that can be one of you.
When you join robotics, you're not just learning STEM skills, you're shaping the future. A future where disasters are less destructive, where rescues are faster, and where communities are stronger. We started small, but soon we'll go on to solve these same very problems.
So take that step.
Be curious.
Be bold.
Be part of the next generation of innovators who protect and uplift the world.
Thank you.
Thank you.